Y'all hear that thunder? I'm trying to get this done before it rains. Hope the forecast didn't lie to me. It wasn't supposed to rain this early. Got my eggs. We're gonna do scrambled. Bonus feature, let's cook some Jiffy Pop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris with the Home Dad. Today we are going to test out these tabletop fire fish / camping stoves. We're gonna see if we can cook on them. I got a couple things we're gonna cook today. It cooks a Kaneka sausage, scrambled eggs, and we're gonna see if we can't do some Jiffy Pop. This is an experiment, we'll find out. We're going to use the Mesa Solo Stove XL camping stove from Walmart. You can see the Oregon Trail already has a cooktop on it. The Mesa XL doesn't have one, but we're gonna fix that right now. I ordered these off of Amazon, and they're cooktops for the Mesa Solo Stove XL. These weren't that expensive. I think I paid $14 for the Mesa XL and then 13 bucks for this one. Supposedly just sits right on top of the, yeah, fits perfect. Yeah, just fits perfectly right on top of that. Not a big deal. I'm gonna get these things lit up and we're gonna get this breakfast started. I'm gonna cook the sausage on the Ozark Trail camping stove. I'm gonna cook the eggs on the Solo Stove Mesa XL. And then after that, I'll decide which one we're gonna do the Jiffy Pop on. Move my Solo Stove off to the side. And we're gonna move you right over here. As you can see, I cut up some of that Kaneka sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. Skillet. Throw the sausage on there. And we'll get to cooking. Already nice and sizzling. Not a problem. Doing good. Can't wait to eat it. Y'all hear that thunder? I'm trying to get this done before it rains. Hope the forecast didn't lie to me. It wasn't supposed to rain this early. Sausage has been on there probably about a minute and a half. Maybe 2 minutes. I'm not tracking it, but it hasn't been long at all. Using that skillet, it really distributes the heat really well. It looks like the entire thing's hot and cooking. Everything looks pretty even. Gotta be careful, you know, that grease popping off. Go ahead and try to flip these over a little bit. Woo, it's gonna be yummy! I'm gonna put these sausages on here. All that fat, cook the eggs. Ooh, I'm really hoping this rain holds off. Got my eggs. We're gonna do scrambled. All right, the eggs are in. Get them cooked. All right, I think those eggs look pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and put them on the plate. Get that out of the way. Bonus feature, let's cook some Jiffy Pop. Now the Jiffy Pop is for my daughter. She loves popcorn. Let's see if we can't pop it. So let's listen for sizzling. All right, I hear the sizzling. Guys, my camp stove over here went out from the wind. I just stuck my lighter back down in there and it lit right back up. I'm doing the Jiffy Pop on this one because this is nice and flat and it's easier to shake it around. There we go. There it is, all popped up. Now you probably can't see it, but it is pouring outside. I got everything done just in time. Made this for my daughter because she's a big popcorn fan. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in front of her. Like eggs? Yeah. Yeah. Hot dogs, because we love hot dogs. sausage.
Oh, the hot dogs.
The hot dogs, excuse me, and the eggs, here they are. Everything looks great. You want a lot of eggs?
Yes. Yummy.
It's yummy? You go with it.
Oh, it turned out good.
Ooh.
Look at that.
All right, you'll be the tester. There's one burnt piece I see in there. But
I see it.
I'll try these eggs out and see if Trip is correct. You think you're correct on how good these are? All right, let's find out. Mmm, they're good.
Let's try it out. It doesn't taste like popcorn. It like tastes like nothing.
It tastes like what?
Nothing. Right here.
It tastes like nothing? Oh, you got a bad piece. Try one of those pieces. That's buttery. Well?
Tastes the same.
Tastes the same? So you don't like it?
Yeah.
All right, verdict's out. She is not a fan of the Jiffy Pop. Here's just the cereal. You want me to take the popcorn away? All right. All right, let's see how the sausage tastes. Sausage is good. I mean, hot dog. Have you tried the hot dog yet? Not yet?
Try it, Bubba. Not yet.
I probably could have took it off a little sooner, but it's still good.
It's still spicy.
The sausage, the Kaneka, yeah. All right, it's a little bit later in the day. Let's go over my thoughts and opinions on how well these worked. Make sure if you haven't subscribed already and you're enjoying these videos, go hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button, that really helps the channel out. How well do I think they work? They both work great. They cooked the eggs fantastic. The eggs were delicious. My son loved the eggs. He likes eggs and it passed his test. It cooked the sausage really well. I probably overcooked a little bit. I should have took them off a little earlier. I thought they tasted fine. I enjoyed them. Trip thought it was a little too much, but unfortunately. As far as the Jiffy Pop goes, Charlotte is a big popcorn fan. She loves popcorn, but unfortunately, she wasn't too much of a fan of the Jiffy Pop. It wasn't burnt. There were a couple of burnt pieces, but it didn't taste burnt. I tasted it. I thought it tasted pretty good. So Charlotte, my daughter, said that the popcorn tasted like nothing. I don't know if she was being totally truthful. Not that long ago, I went downstairs and she had snuck the popcorn downstairs, and here's video evidence that it obviously isn't that bad because she is munching down on it, snacking and watching TV. So obviously it tasted pretty good because she's eating it and she's pretty picky. As far as each of these go, I would probably say I enjoyed cooking on the Solo Stove Mesa XL a little bit better. I like the cooktop better. This cooktop is not Solo brand. This is a generic brand and it's made to fit the Solo Stove Mesa XL. And it worked well. It's real stable. It's bigger, has a bigger platform than this one does. You saw me with the Jiffy Pop. I was able to shake it around. It has a nice flat top. So it made it a lot simpler to cook the Jiffy Pop because this one has like, look, this one's just not as flat and you know, you can see there's no cross members, but it worked well though. It cooked the sausage just fine. And this one's bigger, so I feel like it holds the pots more securely than this one does, unfortunately. But yeah, you're gonna pay for it. Solo Stove Mesa XL runs about $99, around in that range, and then 14 bucks for the cooktop. And you know, you can get this at Walmart for like $39 and it already comes with. If you already have a Solo Stove, I think this cooktop is a good option. So this is approved by me. I think it worked great. So that's my opinion. This is a non-sponsored video. I purchased everything in this video myself. Anything that I used in this video will be linked in the description below. So if you're interested in finding out about these items, just go right down there. You'll find the links. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we'll catch you next time.
The sausage looks like it burnt.
It's not burnt.
It looks like it's burnt.
It looks like it?
Like, why is it...
It doesn't taste burnt.
Like, why is it, like, black like that?
It's just cooked really well.